how to fix Roblox private server link not working. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So there might be several reasons behind it, and one of the reason could be that the current servers are down and you just have to wait. In that particular case, just wait for a while. When the servers are up again, you can just simply play the game. And the other reason could be that the current server has expired. Yes, they have expiration date, so make sure that the current server has not expired. Check for the date, and in case if you find out that the server has expired, simply get it again in order to make it work. The other reason could be that there's some problem on your particular device. Like if you are on PC, then switch to mobile for a while and this should work. If you are on mobile, then switch to PC. And this sounds weird, but this is true, it works. And other reason could be that there might be some cache memory which is corrupted now. You need to clear up that cache memory, and the way to clear up cache memory is different for the mobile device or the PC. Just simply do that, and after that it should be working quite fine. So these are some ways that you can utilize in order to solve this particular problem. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.